Where are my AI agents? Here we go. Let's go to the swarm agent so you can see an example of it. I think it's really, really cool to be able to ask the swarm agent anything. And it will go ahead and ask all of the different agents. So you can see if I run it here, it will allow me to run it independently, but really I built it so I can import it into all of my other agents. For example, a trading agent. Maybe you have a strategy that works and then you want to ask, hey, should I actually enter this position to 6 different AIs? Does that work? I don't know, but this is a new frontier, and anything new that I build, I want to show you immediately. So what would you like to ask the AI swarm? What is the best breakfast for me to have as an entrepreneur to have the most energy throughout the day? Or it could be, hey, here's data for the last 15 bars. Should I go long or short? You can see right now I have it marked off, so we're not using the Ollama, but in order to use the local model, you just unmark that Ollama. I also added some new models this week, and I'll go over those as well and where to find them. And if you know the structure of this, then you'll be able to build anything, really, because I have all the code built. It's really about understanding the structure. So you can see here that it's asking all 4 of the models in parallel. So we're using parallel processing. That's another huge thing that I built here this week, and I would like to show you that as well. Because the thought of using parallel processing for AI, it just speeds things up so much. So I'll show you that here in a second, but you can see it got all responses from the 4 models here. And now it's sending it to a consensus model. And then it says, okay, here's the AI consensus. But I think it's important to be able to see the DeepSeek response, the OpenAI response, all of these other responses independently, and the consensus response. Because if you imagine pulling this swarm agent into other programs or agents that you're building, well, then you'll have the answers for all of the AIs independently, but also the consensus. So all 4 responses unanimously